you are planning to move to Dallas and you are looking at Plano or Frisco, you might be making a 100K mistake because today I am going to show you a community where you will get more space, newer homes, and better value. If you want a list of homes, give me a call on my number or DM me now. Hi, my name is Sonali Sikdar. I'm your local Dallas realtor, and every week I help people exactly like you to move into Dallas and its suburbs. And today we are in the community of Tree Line in Smith, Texas. I'm going to show you why smart buyers are starting to move here instead of usual crowded area. Now, before we jump into the home, let's quickly talk about the location because this is where most people get confused. Justin is in Denton County, and from here you are about 30 minutes from the DFW airport, which is a great deal if you travel for work. So, if you work in areas like Westlake, Alliance, Fort Worth, this location actually makes a lot of sense. But here is the bigger difference. You're not paying the Frisco prices. That's exactly why buyers are quietly moving to this area. Now, let me tell you why. Because this is important. The first reason is simple. Get more house for your money. In Frisco or Plano, the same budget might get you a smaller home, maybe an older home, or something with less space. But here in Justin, you are getting brand new construction, modern layouts, open kitchen, and much more for your family and friends. The second reason is a lot of buyers that I work with tell me they feel boxed in some of the crowded suburbs. Homes are too close, not enough backyard, not enough breathing space. Here you can actually feel like you have room. And third, less competition. When you're buying in hot areas, you are coming with multiple buyers, higher prices, and sometimes even overpaying. Here you have more options, more time to think, and better chances to negotiate. And that's a big advantage. Now, before we go deeper into this homes, I want to show you something very important. This is about lifestyle. You have already started building first amenity sector, which is a very strong sign that this community is growing fast. And something very unique, they have already planted the orchards in the community. Yes, real fruit trees. So over time, this place is going to feel more natural, more peaceful, and honestly, very different from typical neighborhoods you see around Dallas. Now, let's talk about what's coming here. They are planning a stargazing park, and this is something you don't see in most communities. Imagine stepping outside at night and actually enjoying the sky without all the city noise and lights. And that's a completely different lifestyle. They're also planning a food truck park. So instead of always driving out, you'll have food options coming right into your neighborhood. We'll also have pickleball courts, which are super popular right now, a resort style swimming pool for summers, walking trails, and open weight spaces, and a fitness center and gym. So you don't have to leave the community for your workouts. So when you look at all of this together, it's not just about buying a house, it's about buying into something that is still growing and has a lot of future potential. And this is where I always tell my buyers, so just look at what's here today, look at what this is big. And let's just now get back to the home because this is where it gets exciting. The first type of home I want to show you is that what I call the base home. This is where most of the buyers starts. It's affordable, it's new, and it's giving you everything you need. Open living space, modern kitchen, good sized bedroom, and clean layout. For a lot of first time buyers or even investors, this is a great starting point. Now, as we move to the next home, you can just start seeing the difference. One is upgraded. Right away, you will notice better flooring, a bigger kitchen island, nicer finish outs, and more design touch. And this is exactly where more buyers decide to stretch their budget because they can see the difference when they walk. And honestly, if you're going to live here for long term, upgrades like this can really make a difference on your everyday life. Now, let's talk about my favorite option, and that is important moving money home. These are the homes that are already built or almost ready, which means you don't have to wait for another 6 to 8 months. And sometimes builders offer incentives on this homes. So you could get help with your closing costs, better pricing, so even rate buy down options. This is where I tell my buyers timing matters. Now let's talk about numbers for a second. Areas like Frisco or Plano, you might be buying a lot more for less space, older homes, and higher competitions. But here in Justin, you're getting newer homes, better layouts, and more value for your money. I always tell my clients, don't just follow the crowd, follow the value because long term, that's what really matters. Now, let's be real for a second. This area is not for everyone. If you need to be in downtown Dallas every single day, or if you want everything right outside your doorstep, like shopping, restaurants, this may not be the perfect place for you because this area is still growing, and that's also opportunity because what you see today is not what is going to look like in future. Growth is coming, development is coming, and buyers who get in early usually benefits the most. So, who is the area perfect for? First-time home buyers who want to enter the market without overpaying, families who needs more space, more bedrooms, open layouts, big kitchen, home office, game room, and much more with a backyard. Relocation buyers who want your home and better value, and even investors who are thinking long term. But again, it comes down to your lifestyle. Now, let me quickly give you a simple pro and cons so you can make a smart decision. Pros: affordable compared to other Dallas suburbs, brand new homes, growing area, and more space. Cons: still developing, fewer nearby shopping options right now, and commute may be longer depending on your job location. And I always believe in being honest because the right home is not just about the house, it's about your life. Now, here's something I tell all my buyers: most people don't even know about the areas like this. And that's exactly why it's an opportunity. By the time everyone starts talking about it, prices have already gone up. So if you're watching this early, you're actually ahead. So if you are thinking about moving to Dallas and you want to explore homes in Justin or communities like Treeline, call me now or DM me Justin. I will send you available home pricing, builders, incentives, and much more. And tell me in the comment, would you choose a smaller home in a busy area or a bigger, newer home with more value? I would love to know. I will see you in the next video. Till then,